In a world of endless possibilities, a spark of change ignites. Why do we change? One asks. To adapt. Another replies. Mutations, tiny shifts in the code of life, shape destinies. A bird's wings grow stronger, allowing it to soar higher. A fish develops lungs, exploring new realms. Embrace the unknown, whispers the wind. Each mutation, a step towards survival, a dance with nature. We evolve, they chant, because we must. The journey of life, a tapestry woven with threads of change. Embrace your evolution. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.